Airports. They can seem big and confusing, right? Don't worry. Think of them as giant, bustling stations. They're exciting places full of energy and anticipation. They are the starting point of your adventure. You'll find shops, restaurants, and people from all walks of life. First things first, find your airline. Look for the big screens. They list flight numbers and destinations. See yours? Head towards that area. You're on your way. Next stop, the check-in counter. Show your passport and ticket. Remember those heavy bags? This is where you say goodbye, for now. Don't worry, they'll be waiting for you when you land. Now, on to security. This part's important. Put your bags and coat in the trays. Walk through the scanner, it just makes sure everything's safe. Remember, no liquids over 100 milliliters. Next up, immigration. This is where they check your passport one last time. It's quick and easy. Just be polite and answer any questions they might have. Now you're in the departure lounge. Plenty of shops and places to eat here. Grab a snack, read a book, or just relax. Keep an ear out for boarding announcements. Finally, time to board. Show your boarding pass and find your seat. Listen to the safety demonstration. It's important, even if you've heard it before. Soon, you'll be up in the air, soaring towards your next adventure. Airports are just the first step on your journey. Enjoy the ride.